How to hide likes on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can hide likes on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Maybe you want to actually hide the number of likes on your tweets or whatever else you prefer. For this you have to make your Twitter account private. Now to get started, you just have to go ahead and then open the Twitter application here. Once you open the Twitter app, you're going to basically see this type of interface where you just need to allow the permissions. Tap on login or sign up button here, and then just make sure to select your Google account or whatever else to log into your Twitter account. Once you log into the Twitter account, if you want to hide your likes, what you need to do is you need to tap the profile icon from the top left hand side. Once you tap the profile icon there, you'll see all this type of options where you have to go to settings and support and go to this option called settings and privacy. Once you go to this option called settings and privacy, at the very top you'll find an option called your account, but under it again you'll find this option called privacy and safety. Just go to privacy and safety, and here you have this option called your tweets. You can just tap on your tweets as well, or you can just go to audience and tagging. And then when you go to audience and tagging, you have this option called protect your tweets. Only your current followers will be able to see your tweets. So you just want to make sure to turn this thing on, because there isn't a direct way to hide your likes completely, but you can hide your tweets, and as a result people who you do not accept as your follower will not be able to see the tweet as well as a like. So hope this video helped you understand the question, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.